Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Bye or Bye Bye with Sakshi. Today I'm going to unbox Virat Kohli's new launch shoe brand, and here you go. As you must have seen my first video wherein I have shown that I have attended the launch of his shoe brand, and it was an amazing event, and it was one of a lifetime experience for me. I love Virat. I had a crush on him since really long, and I really wanted to meet him. This was kind of a manifestation that I should meet him, though I have not seen him up close, but yes, at least I could see him from this close. So I was happy, and it was all worth it. So this is what we ordered. This is how they have given it to everybody. It's a string bag and it's of really good quality. You can see it has this 1/8 branding on it, and the quality of the bag is also very good, and even the size, as you can see, is amazing. Size is also great. So let's just unbox and see what exactly we have got in this. Tan, 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 tan. Wow, what a box. Amazing box. And I just loved the color. I was really sad that I could not get my hands on the red shoe. It got sold out. Yes, I could get the other one for my husband. And this is a signed shoe for him, his signature ones, which again is a limited edition. So let me just unbox it. So if you see, this is all red. Oh my God. A personalized message from Virat Kohli. All right. So now let's just see. So there is, each shoe is wrapped separately in 1/8. You see the branding. Oh my God. Just look at this. So here is the signature. You can get a similar shoe at 2000 lesser price without the signature. But my husband said that I don't mind paying 2000 extra for the signature. So we went ahead and bought the signature 1/8 seamless shoe. And as you can see, this is all embroidery. This is all thread work, and 1/8 is designed here. It's, as you can see, and here also it's 1/8 written. Again, the branding here. So it's a complete white shoe and looks amazing. I just love it. And more than me, I think my husband loved it because these are for him, not for me. I just went for the show to see Virat, and obviously Karan Aujla was cherry on the cake. But yes, especially I think all 5,000 people who attended the launch just went for Virat Kohli and not for shoes. This was just a medium, but everybody went for Virat Kohli. What else do we got? Not just the shoes, but we have got something else also. There is this small 1/8 tag. We were asked to write our name and number at the back of this. Bag is not misplaced or is not exchanged with the other person, because everybody got this bag, so everybody was asked to write their name and phone number on the tag. So this is again really helpful, and again this is of silicon rubber material, and it's really nice. Apart from this, we got one fridge magnet, again of Virat Kohli at the back also. 1/8 branding has been done. And here you see Virat Kohli. I'm going to definitely put it on my fridge. And the best part is yet to come. I just loved it because this is something we got, all the 5,000 who were there, all of them got this, and it really made us feel really special. Says the founding 5,000. It really makes you feel valuable once you read this, because it makes you feel you're important for the brand. They have given you respect. What does this box contain? Let me show you. So it goes like this. Just look at this. So this is a medal that we have got, probably a bronze one, but it's really heavy. It says the founding 5,000, and I was there. Yes, I was there, and I'm glad I was there. And it also says most people will discuss 1/8 after we become successful. The founding 5,000 choose to believe in us before anyone else. How sweet is that? These are the words that are enough to make anyone feel special. And I really want to thank the brand for making each and every customer who were the founding 5000 feel extra special with this very nice gesture. Thank you. And that's all. So the bag had this amazing tag, this medal, this fridge magnet, and of course the amazing shoes. And I got to meet Virat. I'm so happy, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share my video. More content coming your way. Thank you for watching. Toodles.